afternoon, ladies and gents. Yes, we have the beast out here. While we're here today, it's getting the light upgrades, all this, and those are getting changed. I'm not very happy with them, so keep tuned and hopefully we'll show you how to change them. So ladies and gents, the other side's been done already, but you have 1, 2, I'm just showing for example, if you've never done this before, because I haven't seen no tutorials, 3, 4 screws, and here's one that was done earlier. Literally take the screws out, and pops off just like that. And then see, as you can see from behind, you have access to the bulb. Happy days. So literally unplug that and take that off. I hope this rubber grommet fits on, because the new bulbs, yeah, but yeah, literally we've got to unclip that and get the new bulb in. Really is the old bulb what was in there, so it is H4 as you can see, and comparison, woohoo, that's gonna be the business. That looks like the right fitting and everything, don't touch the glass. So yeah, let's get this in. Oh god, already having a wee bit of a struggle because this is bigger, but yeah, I'm going to try to do a little maneuver and get it. Yeah, so far this actually seems way too big. Oh, and in the meantime, while my brother is doing that, I'm changing this auxiliary belt, because when I put my foot down it actually starts screeching and I don't like the noise. Here's the newbie. Woo, let's get it on. Right ladies and gents, second attempt at it, because I left it yesterday, and yeah, I literally maneuvered, instead of me taking these 4 screws out, because it's really difficult, I maneuvered from down here, and yes, with a bit of rattling about, it's in. So I'm hoping I can get that back on. If not, I may have to leave it off, but I'm gonna try getting this back on. And yeah, otherwise I may leave it like that for the time being. But it's in. Let's see the difference. Wow, look at that. 10 times brighter, 10 times better in everything. What a difference. Got that to do now, and we're upgrading the fogs. Right, attempting the driver's side now, because obviously, I mean, not driver's side's done, attempting the passenger side. Not much access down here, so I'm going to remove the battery. Thankfully we have the trusty Toyota toolkit. These screws don't seem as rusty. I've already got them out, but do you know what, rather than me losing it because it's down there, as you can see, 1, 2, and rather than me trying to do a little needle in the haystack search party, I'm going to remove that battery and go from there. Right, I kind of cheated. I didn't take them screws out, so kind of bent it forward slightly, the brackets. Actually, do you know what? Maybe we'll even broke them. Actually, no, I haven't. There's a bracket. Right, let's get this changed. Wow. Look at that transformation, ladies and gents. I'm happy with that. Now, I need to do the rest. Ladies and gents, as you can see, all the lights have been upgraded. Wow, that's super bright, and what a change. I might actually go onto the rear now and change the number plate lights as well. Be rude not to. Right, ladies and gents, I hope you've enjoyed this video of what I've made, how to upgrade your headlights and fog lights. Also, I didn't put into the video how to change the fog lights. That's a very easy, simple job for you, ladies and gents. It's literally a few Phillips screws. It pops out. All you got to do, if you've got a cone cutter and if you've gone for the headlight bulbs that I've, fog light bulbs that I've gone for with the big backing, you have to make a hole with a cone cutter so you can use that. And literally, it's less than half an hour job to do each side. So I've just done it outside. But yes, please, please, please do hit that like, share, subscribe to my channel. And I've got more videos coming for you, ladies and gents. But yes, please do hit that subscribe button. It's the Peugeot 306. And yeah, stay blessed, love. Oh yeah, Happy New Year, everybody. My 2020 video this is. So yes, happy days, new decade. Bless. Thank you very much.